Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be unboxing this phone I picked up off of eBay. I'm going to pull the shipping label off of it real quick. That's pretty easy. Here it is. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got. It is untested as well. It is a Audiovox CDM-8600 on Verizon. The battery's not too bulged out. It might actually hold the charge. It's probably dead because it was untested in listing. I'm pretty sure I have a charger for it. Looks to be in pretty good shape also. The LCD looks good. So there's a quick little unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.